Voiding a payment in NetSuite isn't about making money disappear. It's about correcting mistakes efficiently. Today, we'll explore how voiding works, when to use it, and why it's better than deleting payments outright. We'll also cover key best practices to ensure accuracy and keep your books clean. Let's make those numbers behave. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Ever wished you had an undo button for financial mistakes? That's basically what voiding a payment does. Unlike deleting, which can cause accounting headaches, voiding maintains transparency. It keeps a record, while preventing errors from haunting your reports. Let's look at why voiding is your financial safety net. Deleting payments is like sweeping mistakes under the rug. Sounds neat, but eventually, someone trips over them. Voiding ensures transparency by keeping an audit trail and preventing financial inconsistencies. Plus, compliance is key. Nobody wants an unexpected visit from auditors, right? Let's void responsibly. Not every payment is eligible for voiding. You can't just erase money like magic. It must be unprocessed, reconcilable, and align with company policies. Ignoring these conditions could mean chasing ghosts in financial reports. So before hitting void, let's check these key requirements. Voiding payments in NetSuite is surprisingly easy if done right. First, locate the payment record, then check if it qualifies for voiding. A simple click on void does the trick. But don't forget the final review. No one wants surprises sneaking into financial statements. Voiding cash or check payments needs extra care. It's not like hitting delete on an email. Make sure it hasn't been processed, get finance approval, and understand its impact on cash flow. If done right, your ledger stays clean and stress-free. Credit card payments come with their own set of rules. Voiding isn't always an option after processing. Sometimes, issuing a refund is necessary. Watch those timing restrictions, or customers might start asking why their charges mysteriously remain. The void button is powerful, but use it wisely. Double-check before clicking, and always review post-void changes. Accidental voiding might lead to financial backflips you didn't sign up for. Voiding payments doesn't mean they vanish. It just adjusts financial records. It impacts revenue tracking and reconciliation, keeping reports accurate. Manage it well, and your general ledger will thank you. So, let's talk about reopening invoices after voiding them. Once an invoice is voided, it's like sending it to accounting limbo. No direct undo option. Instead, you might need to recreate it with all the original details. Sounds tedious. It is. That's why approval workflows help keep things in check, preventing unnecessary errors. And don't worry, every step is logged in audit records, so no surprises. Now, let's talk automation. SuiteScript is the magic wand of voiding transactions. It cuts manual work and makes life easier. But don't get too excited. You need precise scripting to avoid accidental voids. One wrong line of code, and poof, your numbers take an unexpected turn. Thankfully, logging keeps everything transparent, so mistakes can be spotted before they become financial headaches. The transaction. Void method, a straightforward approach to canceling transactions. It keeps things uniform. But just because you have a hammer doesn't mean everything should be treated like a nail. Sensitive financial controls may limit access to this feature. And before you hit that execute button, test it. Because once it's voided, there's no magical undo button. Error handling. Sounds dull, but trust me, it saves headaches. Permissions can be sneaky. Forgetting them means voiding attempts go nowhere. If voiding fails, it can mess up financial reporting, which nobody wants. That's where proper exception handling steps in. Think of it like a safety net. And logging errors. That's your breadcrumb trail to fixing things fast. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.